Hey guys, what's up? Hope everybody is doing good. So today we'll be checking out this wireless keyboard case for my 11-inch iPad Pro. I've been using this keyboard in the case for about a month now. So just stay tuned for the in-depth review and the setup process and all the functionalities of it. So this case comes in 5 different colors. I just went ahead and got the black one. It also should take around 2.5 hours to fully charge, and they said it should last up to 60 hours. Now, like I said, I've been using mine for about a month now, and I've only had to charge it twice. What do you guys think about this case design so far? Comment and let me know. And this is your charging cable that's included in the box. Alright, so here's the case. Nice leather case. Should protect the iPad very well. Here's the keyboard. Nice keys. That's your charge port. Let's put the iPad in. Here we go. Snaps right in. Close it up. Just leave the keyboard there. And snap. Very nice and easy to carry around. Now there's 3 viewing angles and these grooves. Pull it down like that. You can move the keyboard up. Same thing here. Move the keyboard. And there. Move the keyboard. If you don't want a keyboard, you can get it out the way and use it like that. Also, up here, you could just put your pencil. It's magnetic, just snaps there. You could also carry it right here. Push it in there like that and just pull it out. Also your volume controls right here. Alright, so I'm going to be using my Bluetooth mouse. Closest thing to a laptop. So I have a video on this mouse, so you guys can check that out. I'll also leave a link to it down in the description below. So to get this keyboard set up, first thing we go to settings and we want to go to Bluetooth. First, make sure this is on. Turn that switch on and you'll hit this connect button. And right here, keyboard. We'll tap it or click it and we'll enter that code. And hit enter. And there we go. So it's connected. So here we go. Could go to home screen. Double tap and that will bring up the app switcher. Brightness, volume, could also mute, could also lock and unlock. There we go. So let's go to notes. We'll try to type something. There we go. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Backspace, Command A, highlights. Copy that. Command V, paste. So it's just like using a regular keyboard if you're used to a Mac or anything like that. keyboards will be the same, because you got your control, your option, your command, all that good stuff. You'll have it. So quick thing, if you wanted to bring up that emoji, you'll just tap that little thing right here, and there we go. Could slide through them, get back to the keyboard. We'll tap that, and it gets right back to the keyboard. You can type whatever you want. Here's some more examples of the keyboard. You scroll down, scroll up just like that. Just go to search, search my channel. There we go. Same thing. Now you can do Command R, refresh the page, works perfect. It's just like using a Mac. There we go. Very nice and easy. So let's say you're on the second screen of your apps, you want to get back to the front, you could tap this button, takes you back to the first page. Hold down the lock button, you can talk to Siri. And if you hold down the command button, shows you some commands you can do here. So for example, command and space will bring up the search. So you can basically control the entire iPad with the keyboard. First go back to settings, go to accessibility, and we'll go down to keyboards, full keyboard access. We'll turn that on. It will be blue around it once it's on. And you could scroll up and down, side by side, just like that. Here's a list of the commands, some of the basic ones. You could also go to commands, tap space, and here are the commands, and you could also customize them with the keys. So you could also set up gestures with the keys. Now we'll make our way back up. Full keyboard access, tap the space. If we do tab H, that brings up a command list. So you could see the different commands. Tab C brings up the control center. So you could turn things on and off, adjust the brightness, all that good stuff. If we do Command N, that brings up the notification screen. So there we go. What do you guys think about that keyboard? I have no issues with it at all. I totally recommend it. It's the closest we'll get to replace our MacBook. For now, I guess. So here's my channel, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend. Also like and comment, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have 128 subscribers. Please help me out. Thanks, guys. Enjoy.